Welcome back to the channel. My name is Malcolm. I'm one of the SEO specialists here at ProLemon. In this quick video, we'll be going through how you can create a SEO strategy in less than 5 minutes. Okay, so the first thing is you need to outline your objective. So you need to know what the goal is. Is it to generate leads? Is to increase traffic? Is to increase brand awareness using SEO? So first of all, know your objective. And the second thing I would recommend that you can do is know who your competitors are and what they're doing. So do not rewrite the wheel, as we always say here, Parliament. See, like for example, let's use web design. Let's see what pops up there. And just this SERP, search engine result page, can tell us a lot about the industry that we're about to go in. So as you see here, this is the um, result that comes in. This is the second, this is the third. So what this first tells me is it sort of gives us a guide on web design. So most likely this blog post answers question on what is a web designer, how do you get qualifications, where to start, and so on. And you can see that this keyword is not a keyword that is for a person who's looking for a web designer. So this is just a broad web design. So make sure that third thing is your keyword is outlined. So a keyword really is almost the foundation of your strategy because it will outline all the results that you go for. Like for example, if I was a person, I would not go for web design. I probably would go for web designer, web design company, as you can see here. So that's more of a transactional keyword, as we can say. So now if you look at the SERP again, what is going to pop up? It's just companies. And with this also, it shows a lot more if you dive deep into it. So as you can see here, top 10 web design companies. So this is a blog, not a blog, a list that highlights all the top 10 companies. But right underneath is an actual company. Right under that is an actual company. It highlights a person. So, sorry, I clicked that by mistake. Awesome. So it shows how much. And web design, and usually it will have obviously the keyword in there. What I have many couple of tools such as keywords everywhere, keyword surfer, hrefs, all of that on, just so I can see their backlinking, the domain authority, so that I can also align our goals there. So that's the next point, is also be willing to invest in a lot of backlinking. It's a whole world where you strategically build links for your website and so on. So that's something you definitely want to keep in. So the next thing is, I'm just going to click on this website, is the next thing is the copyright, actually writing the content on the website. So you need to first outline what it is, answer every single question that a prospect or person who might be looking for that specific service might be asking themselves. Like for example, how much is web design? Where we're located? What sort of website do I need? Like for example, portfolio website you can see hosting, content, marketing, and offer these services. So this is a relatively good website to use, as you can see. And localization, make sure that a specific keyword or a specific location pops out more. So for example, I think they are ranking mostly in Pretoria. So as you can see there. So this is something you really want to keep in. So this website is a little bit low in content in general, but it's ranking high, probably because of great domain authority. But if to bulk up, ranking #1 probably. So those are just some small ways where you can just plan a SEO strategy to just looking at the search engine result page. That can tell us more. As you know, we release videos on a daily, so do subscribe, do leave a comment, like this video if you really found it beneficial. To the next video, bye.